Hey, welcome to Monster Transmissions. You're Curt in Curt's Corner. Today we're going to go over a generic overview of parts that we offer known as Monster in a Box. It is all the components that we use to rebuild or remanufacture a transmission, and includes all the common components that are needed for your rebuild. It's not just the gaskets and seals and some clutches. They're one of the most complete kits on the market, and we offer different levels of this kit. It also comes just for your regular performance build, as well as ones that include race clutches, special planetaries, hardened parts. We offer all those components and every part you need for your transmission. So this is a quick overview of some of the parts that come in the kit, which comes in all of our Monster Box kits, regardless of level or type. So it could be a Ford, GM, or Dodge. You'll come with all the gaskets and seals, lip seals for the transmission that you're building. It'll include the band, if there's a reverse band and a forward band, it'll include both bands. It'll include the Sprags that you need that usually wear out or go bad in the transmission, as well as new steel plates and all the clutches that you need for the transmission. And it'll include a superior reprogramming kit, so you can improve the performance of your transmission or address known problems with that particular transmission, as well as a high flow filter, and to finish it off when you rebuild your own transmission with a Monster Box kit, a sticker so you can identify you're the proud owner of a Monster in a Box transmission. So we offer a variety of parts based on your transmission and type and your particular needs. We do carry every component for the transmission: hard parts, pumps, drums, valve bodies, everything you need. We offer all those, as well as we offer DVDs, instructions, and show you how to build them, how to take them apart, how to clean them, and how to inspect and then reassemble the transmission. So we offer a wide variety of products and services here at Monster Transmissions. So give us a call at 1-800-708-0087, and we will talk to you soon.